Make money taking surveys. Online surveys offer an easy way to earn extra cash and fast-track your financial goals. Discover top legitimate survey sites like Branded Surveys, MyPoints, HeyPiggy, Prime Opinion, FreeCash, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, CashKick, and Opinion Outpost. Each site varies in availability, age requirements, and payment methods. When selecting survey platforms, consider factors such as reputation, survey availability, and payout methods. Maximize your earnings by completing profiles, taking advantage of free offers, and prioritizing surveys with the highest payout rates. Follow best practices such as creating a separate email address, taking breaks, and installing antivirus software. Watch out for warning signs of potentially illegitimate survey sites, including membership fees, lack of customer reviews, requests for private information, and difficult qualification processes. Remember, surveys for money are legitimate, typically taking about 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Some sites offer instant cash or signing bonus points. Companies pay individuals to take surveys to gather valuable market research and consumer feedback. Start earning extra cash today with online surveys.